Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's Dooney Addict 615, and I am back with another weekly cart. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so very much for joining. If you are a returning subscriber, then you already know what time it is. Let's dive into the 10 items that are currently in the end of season sale with great pricing that you can use right through the spring and summer. The first is the Ostrich Small Zip Crossbody. This bag in the color light aqua is a beautiful pastel pop of color that will take you right into spring, straight into summer, and you won't have to worry about the color looking like it is out of season, fall or winter, because it's too heavy. This is a small crossbody bag. It can be a short shoulder bag, has an outside pocket, feet under the bottom. This amazing ostrich texture gives it a pop of interest to any outfit. It has a zipper top closure and a key keeper in the interior. This is on sale for $99. It's priced as marked, no promo code required in order to get this pricing for this sale. As you can see, the black is available and the cognac. Those could be great year-round colors, but if you're looking for something that's a pop of color that if you purchase it now, you don't have to worry about waiting until the seasons change again, then this light aqua is the way to go. One of the other things to note about this end of season sale is that there are limited color options that are included in the promotion, which is why I thought highlighting 10 would be good information. This next is the Pebble Grain medium zip around wallet. The color French Caramel is on clearance or end of season sale for $59. It is a neutral leather color that will be able to transcend the seasons. You will be able to use it from one season to the next and in and out of your various bags. There is also the color Sand, which is, light taupe, which is another neutral that you can use in and out of bags regardless of season. And then if you're looking for a pop of color, the color Jeans is also a really good neutral that is $59 compared to the mustard color right now, which is $129. The third is the Saffiano Small Brena with pouch. It is a great pop of color. The bag comes with its accessory and it has a great shoulder drop. It's Saffiano leather, so you're not going to be able to kill this leather. It will also be great as you go into rainy season, hot season, sticky hand season. This is going to work, and because it is yellow, it is going to work with everything. It's just going to brighten up anything that you pair this color with. It has a 4.5 inch drop. That's not right. It's more of 25-inch detachable shoulder. What is it talking about? I don't know that the details are right on this bag, but it is 9 inches high, 5 inches in the butt, and 11.5 inches long. It has a closure that is a magnetic snap, and you can see the red cotton twill lining and the SDS in the interior for organization. The next is the Pebble Grain logo lock shoulder bag with pouch for $175. You can see it's also available in the color plum wine and in the color teal, but those have a tendency to be more fall colors. So in order to take advantage of the $175 end of season sale price, the color Jeans is the way to go. This is another bag choice that comes with a companion accessory, and it is a super popular Dooney Bourke bag style. The Ostrich Zip Satchel and the Ostrich Twist Strap Satchel, both in the color bone, are my next two recommendations. This bone color is going to be a clean palette to go with anything that you pair it with this spring. So while the texture is there, it's not going to distract or become busy when you pair it with anything else that is in your wardrobe. There is the color bone, which looks a little more milky. There is a lighter bone that has a different color background, almost on a white background with the natural colored knobs on it. And then the color fog is a light gray. Back outside zip pocket, front zip pocket. It has a magnetic snap for the closure, crossbody as well as top handles, red cotton twill SDS organization in the interior, and it does have feet on the bottom to protect it from wear and tear. The Hobo, similar reasons, different price point, $155, has the double tassels on the zipper pull Hobo style bag that will develop a natural smile. This is a clown car of a bag. It holds so much more than it appears that it would looking at the photos. Next is the DB75 Multi-Katy Crossbody for $69. This is a cult favorite. It is a small bag. Keep the strap on or cut it off and use your guitar straps. But with this background, black background and multicolored pattern, it will go with all of your pops of color in the upcoming 2 seasons, and then go right into the fall and winter with the black background still being something special, and that will be right on trend. $69 in the color black, no code required. The next is the Pebble Grain small zip around wallet in the color olive. Now, we typically think about olive as a fall and winter color, and that is also typically when Dooney will release bags and accessories in this color. But if you are a spring, summer camo wearer, or you are looking for accessories to pair with a camo colored bag from a different brand, then this olive color is going to be perfect. There is also a large zip around wallet that I did not feature in this video, but it is also in the end of season sale, but at a price of $55. If you're looking for something again to pair with your camo as you go into the spring and summer, the color olive would be a great one to pick up. The next two are the Pebble Grain handle tote and the Pebble Grain crossbody with the small coin case, $139 and $99 for the duo respectively. The color mustard, while it is a jewel tone in the fall and winter, it is an absolute beautiful pop of color in the spring and the summer. So you can get these two either or, move in them, and they are going to go beautifully with anything that you pair with them. It will also work with your saddle colored or natural colored sandals or other footwear because of the trim on both bags. And then for $99 with the Pebble grain zip crossbody. You also have the added benefit of getting the small coin case, which could serve as a small wallet. It could hold coins, a key pouch, a small medicine case, or anything else that you'd like to carry on you in a smaller bag. So that's it. 10 items that are included in the ILoveDooney end of season sale that I think you should have in your carts right now, because they will transition you straight through the spring and summer. And again, you'll be prepared to use them if you choose into the fall. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, I kindly ask that you do so. Affiliate links down below for ease of shopping. Thank you so very much for watching. Until next time, take care.